Hi and welcome to Exclusively Nail Art. Stay tuned if you'd like to see this peekaboo nail art tutorial. These are all the things that I used for my nail art today. The first thing we have is the Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat. Then we have the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails XTreme Wear in Celeb City number 220. We have the Sally Hansen Complete Salon Manicure in Dark Hue-mor 577. We have the Sally Hansen Insta Dry in the color Lightening, number 10. We have the Love and Beauty color in orange. This was from Forever 21. We have striping tape to make our stripes. And the final thing we use is the Cuticle Clippers to cut the striping tape. Our first step is going to be painting on the base coat. Our next step is going to be painting on the three colors that we want to be peeking through on the stripes. So I chose yellow, orange, and silver, and you can see how I painted them here. Once that's done, it's time for the most important step. You need to wait for your nails to dry completely. While you're doing that, you can actually start cutting your striping tape. So I cut all of the striping tape that I would need for all of my fingers. I did 3 per finger. So I cut 30 pieces of striping tape and I just stuck it on the edge of the table where I was working. Now that your nails are completely dry, you can start going in and putting your striping tape on. Notice that I'm pressing really well in the corners so that the striping tape sits flat everywhere. You want to press really, really hard and really, really well to make sure that your stripes turn out really crisp and clean and that no nail polish sneaks underneath it. Once the striping tape is on in the pattern that you like it, you are just going to paint the dark color right on top and pull off the striping tape. Your final step is going to be painting on the top coat. And that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this nail art tutorial today. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you'd like to see the longer version of that video, you can go ahead and click the video you see here. And if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.